Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are safe and fine at your homes. So welcome to your English class. Yesterday we have finished with the article part and we have discussed the article the, that is definite article, where you should use. We have done some of the rules, and where it is not required, that is omission of articles, we have also discussed. So the rules have been already explained to you, and today we are going to take the bookwork of articles. So just take out your books along with me and just note down the answers for the first page. We are going to start on 85. So let me mention here page number also. It's on page number 85, the very first page of your book that we are going to start today. So let's start. Okay. So what is there is a small paragraph is there. It is in the form of a conversation. Dialogues are there, and you need to fill in the correct article a and the. So let's start. So what is it? Sarah, the piano teacher will be here shortly. I am going to learn dash new tune today. So two blanks are there in the first sentence. What is it? Piano teacher. This means we are specially pointing to a particular teacher who teaches us piano. So here we have to use the specific article. So what should we use here? Yes, we are going to use article the. So I'll just number the sentences 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in the dialogue form in your book, but I'm just going to number the sentences. So you just take down the answers accordingly. And the second blank also we have. So the piano teacher will be here shortly. I am going to learn dash new tune today. New tune. So no sound we have to see of the first word, that is letter N. It is a consonant, and with consonants we always use A. So it is not specific. We are generally talking of any tune, so it will take A. Okay, moving on to the next sentence now. Ria, wonderful. Have you practiced dash one she taught you earlier? So wonderful. Have you practiced the one she taught you earlier? So we have already done where to use definite article. When we are referring to the previous one, the thing that has been discussed with you before, so it will take a definite article. So here what should be our article is the. Okay, moving on to the next one now. Sarah, yes I did dash few times, but I don't think I have mastered dash notes yet. So now again two blanks are there. Let's see. Yes I did a few times. So what we have done in our rules, that with the quantitative words like few, little, you are going to use what? You are going to use a. So we are going to use a. But one more blank is there. But I don't think I have mastered the notes yet. So we are talking of the notes that has been discussed earlier also. So it is specific here. So we are going to use the article the, which has been practiced previously. So we are talking of the previous notes. Okay. Ria, I love dash music you play. Let me share dash idea with you. So two blanks are again there. So what it will be? I love music you play. So we are referring to the specific music which is being played by her only. So it is the music, right? So this way you need to fill in the articles. Then let me share idea with you. Idea. What is it? It is an ball. So we are going to use here. And you come to my school and play a dash recital one Saturday. So why don't you come to my school and play simply recital? Which sound? Consonant is being used, R sound. So we are going to use A here. So let it be in this blank only A. Okay. Next, I am sure dash staff and dash students would be happy to see your talent. So it's a big sentence. We are going to do all the blanks in one sentence only. Okay. So let's see. I am sure the staff and the students would be happy to see your talent. So we are talking of the staff and the student. See, I am sure the staff and the students, we are talking of those particular staff and those particular students, so it becomes specific here. So that is why we are using the article the in both these sentences here. Next, moving on to the next dialogue by Sarah. Thank you so much. I would like to play in front of dash audience. My teacher could also be invited. Now, audience. Although it is beginning with A also and the sound is also O, which happens to be a vowel, so we are going to use here and, right? I hope you are getting what we are doing, and I hope you have revised the rules and you have tried at your home. Okay, Priya. Let me speak to my school members and know when we could have that Saturday free for this. So, what will it be? When we could have Saturday, days of the week. When we could have sir. Which sound is there? Consonant sound is there. So, we are going to use a Saturday free. Right, next one and the last one. Great, my teacher is here. Let me get her dash glass of water. Glass. G sound is there, which is a consonant, so we are going to use a. And we are not talking of any specific, simply a glass of water with G sound consonant, so it will take a. And with this we finish this exercise. Okay. Moving on to the next one, so it was just a practice exercise for you. Now moving on to next page, that is page number 88. Rules are there that we have already revised. I have given you each and every rule with the help of example. Hope you have revised. So let's move on to the exercise if we have noted down this. Okay. So I'll change the page number 2. It's on page number 88 that we are going to do the next exercise now. So let's start. What is this? Two options are there. You need to choose any one option according to the sentence which article would fit in. Three options are basically there. Okay. Choose the correct article, page number 88. Let's start with exercise. First sentence. Dash animals in dash zoo were making a loud noise. Now, animals in zoo. So, we are talking of the animals that are there in that zoo. So, this means those animals are specific. So, we are talking of the specific ones, the animals in the zoo were making a loud noise. So we are talking of a particular animals and the particular zoo, particularly of that zoo, that they were making a loud noise, which might be possible that you have visited that zoo and you know about it. Okay. Sumedha bought dash orange t-shirt and 2 white shirts. Now, Sumedha bought orange t-shirts. Orange. Oh, what is it? Wall. So obviously we are going to use here and. You have to just put a tick on either one of the three. I am dash Indian, but my friend is Sri Lankan. So now what is it? I am Indian. Vowel sound is there, I is used and Indian. One more blank is there. But my friend is a Sri Lankan and Sri Lankan or the Sri Lankan. So we are not going to use and because we don't have vowel sound. Shri, sh, it's not a vowel sound. But my friend is a Sri Lankan or but my friend is the Sri Lankan. But my friend is the, no, not the, we are not talking of any specific, but a Sri Lankan generally we are talking of. So we will use a. This is dash only time I get to spend with my pet. This is dash only time. So we are talking of that particular time when you are going to spend it with your pet. Specific time you are talking of. So it will take the only time, which is the time that you are going to spend with your pet. Specific time. I have to complete dash urgent task. Oh, although beginning with you, but what is the sound? It is not your sound. It is pronounced as urgent. So it is taking the sound up, which is a vowel. So it will take an urgent word, right? Okay. Dash university has dash campus. Now, a university, an university or the university. So an, obviously your sound is there. It's not a consonant. We are not going to use university. Is mentioned that whenever we are talking of the university, it will take the, so it is specifically that university which we are talking of. So it is the university has dash large campus. Now large L sound, which is a consonant, so it will take and we are generally talking of a campus. Large is an adjective basically. Okay, so for the first one, university, I am going to use the, and for the large, I am going to use because it is having a consonant sound and we are talking of a campus in general. Okay, Srinagar is situated in dash beautiful valley. Now, Srinagar is situated in the beautiful valley. The, no, nothing specific is there. Beautiful, generally valley we are talking of. So, and, no, we don't have b as a vowel sound, it is a consonant, so it is general. Beautiful is again your adjective and we are going to use a. Next one, there is dash fruit bowl on table. Now there is the fruit bowl, no, and fruit bowl, no, there is a fruit bowl, simply we are talking of a fruit bowl. So a fruit bowl on the table, which is specified, we are pointing towards that table, that is why it has become specific. Okay, so for the first one and the for the table that is being referred to, on which that particular bowl is placed, so it is specific table. Okay, so with this we finish this exercise also. Hope you have done it. And okay, 2 more sentences are there, so let's do that. Number 9, dash hour ago. Now R, H-O-U-R, we have done the silent letters, so it is R sound basically when H is silent, so it's a vowel sound, so we are going to use an R. Ago, Mohit was at airport, so an airport, no, a airport, no, the airport, so we are going to use here the. Why? Because we are talking of that particular airport where Mohit was 1 hour ago. So it is sure that we are talking of that particular airport only where Mohit was 1 hour ago. So it becomes specific airport. Tom was declared dash the first runner up. So now we have already done these positions, right? Adjective of quantity, numbers, we have done it. We have discussed that whenever you have these positions, ordinals and cardinal numbers, so there you are going to place the. So it is the first runner up. So with these first, second, the second position, the third position, we are going to use article the. So now it's complete and you can just note down your answers, and if you have done it, please tell me out. Okay, moving on to page number 99 now. So we have here exercise A, right? So let's see what you are going to do is place these words or phrases in the correct columns. So one box type of thing is there in your books, and they have made 4 columns basically. Number 1, column of article a, then article an, and then article and then the last column is there where you think that there should be no article before these phrases or words that they have used in that box. So what you have to do is you have to place these words or phrases in their appropriate columns according to the articles they will take. For example, if I talk of igloo, right, igloo, what do you think? Where should I place it? Which article it should take? Obviously, it's a vowel sound beginning with E, so it will take the second column, igloo. So I'll place this word igloo in the second column with article an. So this way you are going to make it in your notebooks, or even if you want to do it in your books, you will do it. And this is your homework. You are going to try it. Let me see how much you have understood. And then we are going to take up this exercise in your live class on Monday, right? So this is your homework. Just note it down. You need to do it yourself, right? So just place the words and phrases nicely and properly. If the space is less you think, then you can obviously make it in a notebook, or you can even do it in the rough till we discuss this exercise on Monday. Now moving on to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Again you have to place articles. Put a cross in the blank doesn't need any article, but then there are some blanks where there should be omission of article where it is not required at all, neither a nor a nor and the. So we have to put a cross on those blanks. So let's do it. Let's see the first one now. Dash longest mountain range in the world are the Andes. So we have already done the superlatives. It always take the. So this is exercise B on page 89. Right. It's not 99, it's 89. So it will take the article the, right? So this way you are going to write the article in the blank. Have you been to Qutub Minar? So we have already done that. If you have these monuments, historical buildings, then it's not going to take any article. Have you been to the Qutub Minar? Wrong. Have you been to an Qutub Minar? Never. Have you been to a Qutub Minar? No. So it does not take any article. We have already done it, omissions. So we'll put a cross over here, right? Okay. Dash Asia is the world's largest continent. We have done in the omission of articles that whenever you have these continents like Asia, Africa, Australia, then we are not going to insert any article. So here again we are going to put a cross. Next, my sister works in dash office. Now see, office, O sound, vowel sound is there. So what are we going to use? N, right? She takes dash packed lunch with her every day. So now she takes a packed lunch with her every day. And packed lunch, no, it's not a vowel sound, it's a consonant basically. Per sound is there, packed, per. So it will take a packed lunch. We are not referring to any specific thing. So it's not talked the first before, or it has not been introduced due to before. So it is just specific lunch. So it will take a. Next, Salil ate dash lot last night. So when we have discussed these quantitative words like a few, a little, a lot of, a great deal of, a great amount of, we have done that it always takes the article a. Okay. So he had to take dash walk. So he had to take walk, a walk, v sound. It is a consonant, so it will take article a. Okay. So he had to take a walk. I want to go out for R. R. We have done so many times. Vowel sound is there. H is silent. So it is going to take an. Too much dash sugar is bad for health. Sugar. Now it cannot be counted. It is uncountable. Too much. The sugar is no. Too much and sugar no. Too much of sugar no. So whenever it is uncountable and it cannot be counted and it can be a quantitative thing, noun you can say, then it always is omitted. Articles are not used in before them. So it's taking a cross over it. Okay. Mother bought me dash uniform to wear to school. Mother bought me a uniform to wear to school. Uniform. Now see, we have done union. We have done European. So now your sound is there. Although beginning with U, but the sound is of Y. Y is a consonant. So what are we going to use? We are going to use article a. So dear children, you have to see the word and its pronunciation, the initial sound very carefully, and then you need to insert your article. Can you bring dash box of sweets for me? So we are talking of one box. So it is singular and B is a consonant sound B. So it will take a box of sweets. A box. B. Okay. Dash sandwiches that Hina bought were stale. So now we are talking of the specific sandwiches which has been brought by Hina. So the sandwiches become special or specific, and we are going to use the article the. So with this we finish this exercise. Hope you have noted the answers. Hope you have understood how you need to attempt. Then moving on to exercise C and D. This is your homework. I need you to first try it yourself, and then we are going to discuss in your live class on Monday. So just try it out in the book itself. What are you going to use? Correct the errors in the use of articles and rewrite these sentences. So if you want to try it in your rough notebook or grammar notebook, you can do so. What are we going to use? Some errors are there. हो सकता है कि the की जगह पे वहाँ पे article a लगना हो. So this way you will spot that error and you will make your corrections, and you have to rewrite the sentence again. So it's better if you do it in your rough copy first and then copy it out in your grammar notebooks, because here the space is not there that you will frame the sentence again. So spot the error and then accordingly insert the article. Right, wrong article might be used over here, so you have to write the correct article, and if it is correct then leave it as it is. What is to be done in exercise D now? Complete these sentences with a, an or the. So blanks are there, you have to put the right article. Put a cross where an article is not at all necessary. So this we have already done, exercise B. So it is similar to that, where you think that the article should not be there. So just put a cross, otherwise insert the correct article. So these two exercises along with one exercise A I want you to do first, and then we are going to take up as your revision, you can say, on Monday in your live class. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. Thanks for watching.